the touchdown, 34-3. Saints all over the Carolina Panthers. Saints get their quarterbacks back in this football game.
And their mojo back as well. They're now 6-3.
Second quarter, San Diego and Houston. Sorry, Michael Arian Foster, 8-yard touchdown run, good to the outside. That's first of 2 touchdowns on the day. Houston up by 7. Then Rivers to Randy McMichael, 12-yard touchdown, great one-handed grab. Michael second on the day. It's 23-21 Houston over San Diego. Then Rivers to Shea Ijera 2-2. That's a 28-yard touchdown reception. That's the second on the day for him. 29-23 San Diego. And then Matt Schaub pass. Director for Andre Johnson, picked off by Paul Auger. San Diego on the road, 29-23 over the Houston Texans.
And after a slow start, the Chargers are now 4-5, knocking on the door in the AFC West. We're right back before. Jimmy, let's get back in the NFC South, though. In Tampa Bay, fought hard, fought